everyone, what's going on? For you that are new here, my name is Rachel Elise. Today we are doing September's Boxycharm. Alright, we're just going to hop right into this. So, the theme this month was Wildflower. And there is 5 products. First thing I grab is the Lauren Geller Baked Blush and Bright in Tropic Hues. Actually looks like a very pretty blush. I didn't put bronzer or anything on, I just did my base. Actually, I only did a little bit of concealer because it's 10 o'clock at night right now and I didn't feel like putting makeup on again. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of this blush. Let's see how it goes. Oh, there's a mini mirror inside of here. Okay. Hey. Ooh, a lot of kick up. I don't know if you can see that. See it in the corner there where my pinky is. Usually ones like that are very pigmented, so let's brush that off. Oh, that's a pretty shade. I'd have to blend it out because now I look like a clown, but that's okay. I like that. See, even if, I don't know if you guys watched my other video, but in the Tutti Frutti collection I was talking about the glitters and the blushes. Like, why couldn't it just be like a sheen like this? Like, this is really pretty. But let's tone her down a bit. There we go. That is really pretty. Okay, I like that. Okay, and this retails for $28. Alright, the next thing I grab here is the Butter London Roll-On Liner. I'm not even going to try that. By far, the stupidest concept. I understand where they're coming from, but you have no control with it. So, I'm not even trying it. That's out of the question. Price for that is $19. Okay. Next two things is a Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. This is smoky. I mean, it's okay. I'm gonna be honest, this is a really cool tone for me personally. We'll try to come up, we can come up with something, but this probably isn't gonna be something I'm gonna reach towards. But I've been wanting to try their eyeshadow formula. So, if I like the formula, maybe I'll buy a different one. I think they're like Rising Phoenix or something, that warm toned one. Same time, like, I have a lot of those. So, I don't know. We'll see. Alright, let's go right in. Oh, and I'm going to be trying the Alamar Cosmetic brushes that also come with it. They're super cute. I love that eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, she killed it. Okay. These are the 3 brushes. You got a blending brush, a packing brush, and a tight lining brush. All super pretty. This is really soft. Okay. Right, I'll just jump right into it. First, I'm going to take the shade Hide and Seek. It's like a taupey brown. And I'm going to put that in my crease. Now, these cool tone colors don't typically look the best on me, but we're going to make it work. I just need something to transition with. I like this brush. It's nice and soft. Easy to blend. Okay. I like the brushes. Well, brush. Okay. Then there's really no in-between shade. So I'm going to, I guess, go in light-handedly with Flip Out. See the difference? Give it a go. And I mean, like, I'm going to do like one little dip in there. Tap off the excess. Because I just want to warm this up. Throwing this in my crease. I'm actually Let's see how this goes. Okay. See, I thought this was going to be warmer, and it's kind of deepened it up a little bit. I'm actually putting it like on the outer corner and then flicking it in. The formula is actually pretty nice. Everything's blending really smooth, so that's a plus. Okay. Next shade I'm going to go in with is Swoop, which I hope this is as chocolatey as it looks. I'm not even touching those grays because they don't interest me at all. But I am going to switch to a different brush for this part, I think. Let's give it a go. Lightly pressed. I will say they are pigmented though, which is nice. And I'm mainly going to just press this along the outer. And see, this is like cool toned again. Okay, I don't like the color scheme of this palette. I'll tell you that right now, but making it work, that's what you gotta do. Luckily, I'm going to bed, so that's always a plus. Okay, then I'm gonna take the shader brush. There's no names on these or numbers or anything, so I'm gonna take the shader brush and go into the shade Clutch. It's a nice size shader brush, so let me try using my finger. Oh yeah, they're definitely smooth. That's a plus. I'm gonna use my finger for the other side and just clean it up with the shader brush. I don't think I did half bad. I'm gonna sweep. Don't care. Go back in the shader. Whatever. So that looks like about all I'm gonna do here. Let me take out my finger again. There's actually a bronzy shimmer I'm gonna go in with on the outer corner, the I Spy shade. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, that's really smooth. The formula is like there, it's just I do not like this color scheme. Oh, that's actually kind of pretty. My eye is watering. The bronzy shade is pretty. But with my eye watering, I don't know what's going on here. I'm gonna try blending it out. I don't know if I can now. Alright. If it's not perfect, I really don't care because, like I said, it's going off. This eye, I don't know what's going on. Alright, we're done with the eyes because it keeps watering and I think it's my allergies that have been really bad lately. Overall though, the look's not bad. So the eyeshadow palette retails for $35. And, oh, let me use this tight lining brush. I'm going to just go in with this all-nighter. I just want to see how it performed. Oh yeah, that's nice. Not too rough either. Some of them can like really feel like sandpaper. Okay, I like the brushes too. So the brushes retail, it's a set, the Ojito set for $18, which is okay. And the last item I have is the Hank and Harry liquid lipstick. I was really hoping I'd get anything but that Lorac one. I've never tried Hank and Henry, so I'm really excited. This retails for $17. Shade is Petal Pusher. Oh, I know I'm gonna like this color. Interesting doe foot. That's what doe foot looks like. With on lips. Kind of smells like cake batter. I'm into it. It's a little bit more of a drying, like it dries really fast, liquid lipstick. This packaging though is, it looks like a lipstick at the bottom. Like I think that's so cool. Throw it up this way. Looks like it'd be a lipstick, but it's a liquid lipstick. And a little detailing there. See it? Alright. I think it's still drying down a little bit. I like the shade though. Super pretty. Now with this, I really could go with this look, but I'm not putting mascara on. Gonna be honest. Because this eye with watering, I don't even want to know. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up all the products. So you had a grand total of, let's see, $117 if my math is right. On the back, the offer is 30% off Laura Geller. With any order of the new Filter First Luminous Foundation or Concealer, or Dr. Brandt VIP offer at Sephora, and search hashtag Say I Love You to access a special limited edition microdermabrasion bundle offer. I'll have to check that one out. So, final thoughts. I like this blush, very pretty. This is going to be more of like a summertime blush though, and now we're moving into fall, so we'll see. I'll play around with it. The liquid lipstick, I really like. And, yep, nothing. So, transfer proof. Roller liner, not even giving it a go, not even worth my time. Yeah, eyeshadow palette, if you're into cool tones, you'll really like this palette. The formula is there, like it's good. I mean, pretty vulgar packaging, come on. Like look how freaking cute this freaking palette is. So pretty. But yeah, the matte blended smoothly. The shimmers are pretty pigmented. I think if you would like wet your brush and do it with your brush, I think it'd come out really metallic, but mine's just more like a shimmery shift that I did with it. I used my fingers. And the brushes, where are they at? The brushes were really nice for a nice little 3 set. Overall, I'm pretty happy. The only thing I really didn't like was the roller liner. But let me give you my little story trying to get the Boxy Luxe. That was a nightmare, honestly. I didn't wind up getting Boxy Luxe, but I just got an email saying I got the December one. So that's a plus. What it is, it's more products. I think you pay like $20 more for that box that month. Every 3 months. And then any month that you're not getting your Boxy Luxe, you still get your Boxycharm. So you still pay that $21 for that one. And then the month that you're getting the Boxy Luxe, you pay the upgraded fee price. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you like me doing the Boxycharm videos, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.